Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be making a chili. And it's not your normal chili. We're going to be using an Italian sausage. We're going to use, about one bell pepper. Equal to about one bell pepper. These are some frozen strips I had. And about one medium onion, some garlic, 2 cans of my canned beans. These are red beans, but you can use any bean you want. Kidney beans, black beans, a white bean, a navy bean, whatever bean that you like to use for your chilies. And I'm going to be using a ham stock that I have, and some garlic and black pepper. And we're going to use the little Ninja possible cooker. And it right now is heating up on saute. And we're going to get the sausage browned up and add our peppers and onions in. And we're going to get this party started. Okay guys, the cooker is ready. So we're going to open up this package. And we're using the whole 1 pound package of Italian sausage. And you can use any type of sausage really that you like. I'm using Italian because it's already seasoned. And we just might have to add just a little bit of seasoning to this, like more Italian seasoning. So we're going to brown this up. And get this all going. I figure this would be a good item to make today. It's kind of cold out. It was 80, it was 38 degrees this morning. And it's about in the 60s right now. And this will be another fall video. But this is just a different type of chili. So like your traditional beef or chicken. I'm using Italian sausage. Just using some pantry staples I have. And use what you have. I figured I'd just bring you along, show you what's going on. I'm going to brown this all up. And I'm going to add my onions in. And these are the little frozen ones that I keep on hand in the freezer. That way I don't really have to chop them up if I don't feel like it. It's a good little cheat to have. They're pretty inexpensive. And the same thing with the peppers. So we're just going to let this all cook down and brown up before I add the garlic in. Okay guys, I'm going to put in some pepper. About a teaspoon. And I'm going to put in about enough for a clove or 2 of garlic. You know how Farrah and I like our garlic. just gonna let that cook a little bit. And I'm gonna put this on the slow cooker function and let it maybe cook for about an hour or so. Let everything meld together, but you don't have to do that. This will be ready to eat in about 45 minutes once everything heats up and heats through, because you're just using canned beans and a stock of whatever you could use: ham, chicken, beef, whatever you have. So this comes together really simple. Okay, that's all nice and fragrant. Now I'm going to pour in my beans. Oh, this smells good. And we're not really making kind of like a soup. We want it like more like a stewish consistency. It's going to be thick. You could add a little bit of cream to this later on, but I'll show you that. Okay, everybody in the pool. So we're just going to heat this all up. And like I said, once it's heated, you could go ahead and serve it. But I'm going to make it a little more thicker, like a stew, than more of a soup. Okay guys, I have another can of beans here that I rinsed. And we're going to take some of the hot liquid out. And we're going to blend this up. So for our thickener. Guess it would work if I plugged it in, huh? Yeah. Party foul. Leave it to me all the time. But anyway, okay, let's blend this up. Get it all nice and blended. That didn't take long. And we're going to pour it. Let me move you around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, before we add that in, we're going to put in some smoked paprika. About a teaspoon and a half. And we're going to put in our beans that we blended up. And you don't have to have a merchant blender, people. You just use your blender and or mash them with a little potato masher. Okay. I'm just going to let this cook for a little bit more. And then we'll try it. Okay guys, it's done. And I'm going to serve some up. It could be a little thicker. I didn't add cornstarch. But it looks delicious. Let's try it. It's a little bit different than your traditional chili, but just used what I had on hand, which was Italian sausage and my canned beans that I can, and some broth, a little bit of onion, green pepper. Voila, you have dinner. This is great. And you can cook this on the stovetop, and you know, you don't have to do like I did. I let it simmer in the Ninja cooker for about 45 minutes after I made it. But yeah, it's great. I mean, you can just do it on the stovetop and you'll have dinner done like in 30 minutes. This is great. What are you having for dinner? Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.